Dr. Perthmesh Jain has developed an innovative technique for repair of rotator cuff tendons. Rotator cuff, in 80% of patients, is a laminated tear, in which we can identify a different superficial and a deep lamina. After preparation of the bed, we put a medial row anchor at the location of the medial row, and we repair the inner lamina separately in a single row fashion. This repair is performed in a Mason-Allen fashion. By that it means that we are passing 3 suture limbs through the inner lamina and making 1 mattress suture and 1 simple suture. The mattress suture is tied first. Following that, we will be tying the simple suture, and this is a modified Mason-Allen single row repair of the inner lamina, which is performed. Hence, the inner lamina is repaired in a low tension manner. Once it is repaired, the 4 suture limbs are passed through the outer lamina. And then it is repaired with the use of a knotless anchor. Thereby, both lamina are repaired separately under differential tension, thereby yielding very, very good results. This repair is even better than the transosseous repair patterns.